Hello, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song Worthy by Elevation Worship. This song was requested by Patron Beulah. Thank you, Beulah, for your song suggestion. Now, what I'm going to do first is I'll play all the way through the song, and then at the end, I will break it down and explain it for you in more detail. So make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
It was my cross you bore, so I could live in the freedom you died for. And now my life is yours, and I will sing of your goodness forevermore. Worthy is your name, Jesus. You deserve the praise. Worthy is your name. Worthy is your name, Jesus. You deserve the praise. Worthy is your name. And now my shame is gone. I stand amazed in your love undeniable. Your grace goes on and on, and I will sing of your goodness forevermore. Worthy is your name, Jesus. You deserve the praise. Worthy is your name. Worthy is your name, Jesus. You deserve the praise. Worthy is your name. Exalted now in the heavens as your glory fills this place. You alone deserve our praise. You're the name above all names. Be exalted now in the heavens as your glory fills this place. You alone deserve our praise. You're the name above all names. Worthy is your name, Jesus. You deserve the praise. Worthy is your name. Worthy is your name, deserve the praise. Worthy is your name.
Okay, before I break this song down, if you would like to check out the chord chart for this song, you can click right up there to head over to my Patreon page. So for this song, I am using the C chord family, but I'm playing with my capo up on the 2nd fret, so that puts me in the key of D. But for the chords, I am using the C chord. We also have a G chord, which I'm playing with my 2nd, 3rd, and 4th finger. This makes transitions in this family a lot easier. I recommend you do that. We're also going to play an F chord. In this case, I'm playing the alternative F over C. Now, if you want, you could play just a traditional F like this with barring the B and E string, or you could play an F bar chord if you want as well. But the F over C requires no barring, which is why I use it. We also have an A minor 7 as well, and a D minor towards in the bridge. So we're using 5 chords, all part of the C chord family. Nothing out of the ordinary in terms of the chords for this song, so that's good. The strumming, we're going to be using the driving pattern, and that's a nice, simple, and basic 4-beat strum pattern. We have 4 down strums with an up strum after beat 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So that's it for the strum pattern. Something we have, let me see, there was something I wanted to go over. Yes, so towards the end of each line of the verse, we have a C and a G, and these 2 chords, they are only lasting, well, that C is only lasting for half of a measure, okay? So we're coming from that F, C, G, okay? So that C is just for 2 beats or half a measure. So it's super short, and then you need to switch over back to that G, okay? So that can trip you up if you're not aware of what's happening there. So you might want to isolate those transitions, that chord progression for one of those verses, and keep practicing that part. Sometimes it helps to count the beats out loud. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 for that transition there. That's really going to be the trickiest part of this song, is that C-G right there. Something you can do as well in the chorus to add some more life to this song is you can go from that F. Right now we have an F straight to a G, but we can throw in a C right in the middle there. Worthy is your name, Jesus. Okay, so that's the exact same progression as the C, G at the end of each line of the verse. Okay, where the C just lasts for 2 beats and then we go to a G. So it's the same thing here. We have the F for a full measure and a half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go to a C. If you want, you could also, instead of going to the G to the A minor, you could go straight to the B. So basically, a G chord, if we remove our 3rd finger and we don't play that low E string, we just play the A string for the G, that's a B note. So we can go from a C to a B, and this is with my 2nd finger on that 2nd fret of the A string, and then to the A minor. So it kind of creates a walk from C, B, A. Okay, so let me play that line of the chorus again, adding those 2 extra notes or 2 extra chords in there. Worthy is Okay, so it just adds a little bit of extra flair in there in that chorus, if you would like to do that. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for this song. If you do have any questions for it, feel free to post your questions in the comment section of this post on my Patreon page. You can click right up there to get there. I do answer all of my patrons' questions, and I look forward to seeing you in the next song tutorial. Take care.